Sino po ang asawa ni Cain at saan galing? Bakit wala yan sa Bible? Ano po yun, si Eva din inasawa niya? So, totoo yan, no? Walang specific na sinabi ang Bible kung sino yung asawa ni Cain at saan ito nanggaling. Pero, syempre, hindi niya inasawa si Eva kasi nanay niya yon. So, just a recap, Adan at Eva, tapos nagkaroon sila ng tatlong anak, si Cain, Abel, at si Seth. And then, alam naman nating lahat na si Cain ay pinatay si Abel. So, ang tanong dito ay, saan ang galing yung asawa ni Cain? Babasahin natin sa Book of Genesis. Ito yung time na pinatay na ni Cain, yung kapatid niyang si Abel. Sabi dito, so Cain left the Lord's presence and settled in the land of Nod, east of Eden. Cain had sexual relations with his wife. Pero hindi binanggit kung sino at saan ang galing. And she became pregnant and gave birth to Enoch. Then Cain founded a city which he named Enoch after his son. Dito hindi binanggit ng Bible kung saan nanggaling yung asawa niya. Pero ito yung namimiss ng madaming tao, yung mga sumunod na verse sa chapter 5. Kaya importante talaga basahin natin lahat yan. Genesis 5 verse 3 to 4. When Adam was 130 years old, he became the father of a son who was just like him in his very image. He named his son Seth. Ayan yung kapatid ni Cain at Abel. Ito yung importanteng verse. Verse 4, after the birth of Seth, Adam lived another 800 years, and he had other sons and daughters. Again, he had other sons and daughters. Malinaw, he had other sons and daughters. So, hindi lang si Abel, si Cain, at si Seth. Marami kasi ngayon akala, tatlo lang yung naging anak ni Adan at Eva. Yung tatlong yon. Pero malinaw dito, he had other sons and daughters. Just imagine, namuhay si Adan ng 930 years old. So isipin nyo na lang kung gaano kadami yung pwede niyang maging anak sa ganung katagal na panahon. And remember, nung time na yon, yung DNA nila ay almost near perfect. Kaya yung mga family members din yung pinapakasalan at inaasawa nila para magkaroon ng anak. At hindi pinoprovide ni God yung inter-family marriage at that time. And may mga nagsasabi na may tao na daw dito sa earth bago pa daw si Adam. Pero sobrang contradicting nun sa sinasabi ng Bible. Sabi sa Acts 17 verse 26, from one man, si Adam yan, he created all the nations throughout the whole earth. He decided beforehand when they should rise and fall, and he determined their boundaries. So hindi. And sabi sa Bible, sin entered through one man and spread to all. So walang specific na sinabi ang Bible kung sino ang asawa ni Cain at kung saan siya nanggaling, pero makikita natin dito na pwedeng kapatid niya, pwedeng pinsan niya, pwedeng pamangkin niya, kasi yung inter-family marriage ay hindi forbidden that time kasi nga konti pa lang yung mga tao. Malinaw na Adam and Eve had many sons and daughters, hindi lang yung tatlong yun. So doon lang sa family tree nila nakuha ni Cain yung asawa niya.